In this video I will tell you the method of downloading Wondershare Filmora and how you can activate Wondershare Filmora without purchasing any serial key. First open your browser and type Wondershare Filmora download get into PC. Click on the first link of Get into PC website. Now scroll down and click on Download Wondershare Filmora. After clicking on Download Wondershare Filmora, your download will be start automatically in 10 seconds. Wait for completing download. It can take some time depending on your internet connection speed. After completing your download, disconnect your PC from internet and turn off your antivirus. After that, go to your download directory and right-click on downloaded file and click on extract here. Type the password of file, which is 1, 2, 3. After that, right-click on Setup File and open it. Simply install it like other softwares. Wait for completing installation. When installation complete, does not launch it. Go to Crack folder and select all 3 files and click on Copy. After that, go to your installation directory of Wondershare Filmora. Paste all 3 files that you have copied from Crack folder and replace it with original ones. Congratulations! Now you have successfully activated Wondershare Filmora for free. Now you can connect your PC to internet and can enable your antivirus. If you are facing any problem in the downloading or in the activation, feel free to comment down below. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more